In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Microsoft lists. We'll be walking through a simple method you can use directly from your Microsoft Lists dashboard. If you need a copy of a list for sharing, saving, or reviewing offline, this process is quick and easy once you know where to go. Start by opening Microsoft Lists and going to your home dashboard. This is the main landing area where you can see the lists available to you. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right account and looking at the correct workspace, especially if you manage multiple lists. That will help you avoid printing the wrong file. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the list you want to print. In this example, that list is called main list. Opening the list first is important because the print command will capture what you currently have on screen. Before moving on, it's a good idea to quickly scan the list and confirm that the content displayed is exactly what you want included. After the list is open, use the print shortcut on your keyboard. If you're using Windows, press Ctrl and P at the same time. If you're using a Mac, press Command and P. This opens the print dialog window where your system prepares the list for printing or saving. When the print settings pop-up appears, click Save. In many cases, this means you're saving the list as a PDF rather than sending it straight to a physical printer. This can be really useful if you want a digital copy first, or if you'd like to review the formatting before printing a hard copy. Depending on your browser or device settings, the wording in the print window may look slightly different, but the overall process is the same. After that, another window will appear asking where you want to save the file. Choose the folder or location that works best for you, whether that's your desktop, downloads folder, or a project folder you use for work documents. Once you've selected the location, click Save again to finish the process. At that point, your Microsoft list has been saved and is ready for you to open, review, or print whenever you need it. If you plan to print regularly, saving a PDF first can help you keep a clean record and avoid repeating the process every time. And that's how to print Microsoft lists quickly and efficiently.